Keep smiling while you do your math. Let's look at problem number 17. Find the exact value of the expression arc cotangent of negative square root of 3 over 3. Well, since it is negative, let's go to the third quadrant and let's make a reference triangle. Now, when we look at this, we can see that we have negative square root of 3 over 3. Why don't we go ahead and rewrite this by dividing out a square root of 3? So if we divide the top and bottom by square root of 3, we're actually going to get negative 1 over square root of 3. Well, then when we look at negative 1 over square root of 3, has the square root of 3 in it. So it's like, I bet what they had to do there was they simplified it. So why don't we go ahead and put back in the 2 that they canceled out? So if we do that, we're going to get negative 1 over 2 over square root of 3 over 2. Now we all know that the ratio for cotangent is adjacent over opposite. So now let's go ahead then and put those values in. Let's put it on a unit circle. So we're going to have 1/2 in the negative direction. Then we're going to have square root of 3 over 2. And then we're going to put this on the unit circle with 1. Well, if we look at that, that looks like one of our special triangles. We all know that the 30-degree angle goes opposite the ratio of 1/2. So 30 degrees in radians is going to give us pi over 6. And then we know that the 60-degree angle goes opposite the square root of 3 over 2. And we all know that 60 degrees in radians is pi over 3. So now if we want to get the angle, we can take pi minus pi over 3. And if we do that, we can get a common denominator of 3. So then pi over 1, 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times pi is going to give us 3 pi minus pi. And then 3 pi minus pi is going to give us 2 pi over 3. And we know that angles that are in the second quadrant, we all know that the numerator is 1 less than the denominator. So arc cotangent of negative square root of 3 over 3 in radians is going to be 2 pi over 3.